Alright boyos, no faffing around, we're gonna go straight for a lap. Let's see, let's try to, I think it's a good opening for us. There's two BMWs, they're definitely gonna be faster. Megane coming, Porsches and shit. It's gonna be traffic, so it's not gonna be as easy as the first lap was, but nothing easy. I'll just choose the I'll just try to choose the opening and let all the hardcore guys by. There's a Megane behind us. I think he wants to go, which I'm gonna definitely do. There's a Porsche, but after that it looks clear. So we'll have some open water for ourselves. Let these guys through, and then I'm gonna go as ham as I can. As ham as I can. Weather seems nice. I hope the track is dry. Should be. I mean, it's not that early in the morning. Let the fast guys by. We have open water, boys. That's perfect. And here we go. Get it right into Vtec. Still, I'm not used to getting it in gear. But whatever, let's try. Let's try to get through this somehow. Okay, slow Megane ahead. Tires, I mean these are street tires, so I mean what's there to get warm, but Megane is super slow. Let's go by him, add some brakes, down to second, why not? Some early morning Vtecs. I mean it's 10 a.m. and I'm on the Nürburgring, so that's nice. 8,000 RPM, let's go Honda. Today we're on a mission. Over the bump, add some brakes, down to second. If it only would go into second gear. Definitely gotta change the gearbox fluid when I get home. Hitting the red line a little. See, we got grip. Then we add gas. First on the brakes. Ooh, car gets a little squirmy. Struggling to get it into gears. I hope we don't break the gearbox here. Yeah, gotta follow my mirrors. Because there's fast guys coming, definitely at one point. So there's already a Porsche coming. I put in the indicator that I see him. I'll leave him some space as much as I can, and let's go. Go, little Honda. Fifth gear over the crest. We'll have enough brakes. Woo! Spooky. Downshift. I don't know if you should downshift there, but I did. Let's go, little Honda. Downhill, we'll hit 200 in fifth. 200. Brakes, because I'm a bit scared too, you know. Still at the Nürburgring. And maybe a bit more confident driver. But come on, go into gear, third. Still struggling finding gears. And I'm not like panic shifting. I'm trying to get it into gear. Of course, there's some adrenaline going, but I'm not doing some flat out nonsense. Foxhole, take it with a little bit of caution, because why not? Caution makes sense. In my case, let's hit the curb like a big boy, like big boys do. Come on, go into gears. Really struggling to get into gears. Definitely, gearbox oil is in order if the gearbox is not fucked in the first place. But yeah, go little Honda. 7 kilometers in, let's go. We can do this, little Honda. Come on. On a decent attack here. On the brakes, maybe two inside. On the brakes, down to third. Okay, Gears maybe shift a little better now. On the brakes here, just we can stay in third. I was just starting to think about the welfare of the brakes. I really want to not discover one moment that I have no brakes. There's a slow car in front. Let's just go safely wide. Yeah, we're by him. There's a fast car coming. I'm going to indicate that I see him. And let's try to let him by here because it's slow anyway. Oh, come on. It won't go into second. It won't go into third. Come on, Honda. Some shit is smelling. It's not the engine temp, so we're good. And sorry Nürburgring, fuck the speed limits. Okay, the brakes are really spongy now, but it's an uphill section coming up. So we're gonna be fine. The brakes are gonna get a little leeway. Come on, down into second, let's go, Honda. That was a hard gear change. Jolted the shit out of me. Yeah, fast Golf coming. Let's indicate that we see him and go. Let's try not to crash and burn here. Yeah, Jonas, don't forget you don't have that much brakes. Come on, it just won't go into gear. Will it go into any gear? No way. I mean, yeah. I mean, let's go. It just doesn't want to go into gear. I hope this is not going to be my last lap also. I need to drive this car home. But uphill section. Let's go. The engine is going to be fine. That's one thing I know for sure. Fast cars coming. Let's just let them go because they're really fast. More fast cars coming. I'm not at an ideal spot for them, but whatever. And another fast car coming. Let's try to get a move on too. Let's go into fifth. Again, some sort of thing. It's not that fast. Yeah, let's leave these, let these cars go. Not an ideal spot. Ooh, he's gonna come in hot. Let him by. More fast cars. More fast cars. Now it's our turn to go again. Let the Megane go too. And now it's our turn to go and more fast cars coming. A lot of traffic. Oh, he's too fast for me. So I'm just gonna indicate that I'm gonna leave him space. Slow down. Keep it inside. Really inside. Let these guys go, let them do their thing, and I'll do mine. We're all good. Got some open water again. Get it down to second, come on. It just won't go into second gear. Just won't go into gears. Come on, Honda. Now I'm in the way. Come on, Honda. Okay. It's pretty fucked up. I'm really afraid that I can't finish the lap like this. Went into fourth. Yeah, it's not good. But whatever, let's try to keep it in third and fourth then. And still have our fun. Little Honda just won't go into gears. I'm just gonna keep it in third all throughout this section, or fourth. It really doesn't want to go into second. Little Vtec there. A little too much Vtec to be fair. I'm not gonna cut the curve here. Just won't go into gear again. Yeah. Clutch is not good. I'll let everything cool down. Just gonna coast downhill here. Come on, 4th gear. Okay, I think this lap is over. I need the car to work. So, shit. I was going pretty fast. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to get towed away. That's for sure. Oh, damn it. I was supposed to have so much fun. On my 2 laps, but seems I'm not. Oh well, I mean, I think it is one of the joys of taking an unknown car to the track. Not the best idea, obviously. I mean, fucking obviously, but let's see, let's try to shift gears. 5th, 6th is there, 3rd, 4th, I mean, they're more or less there now. We can go down the 2nd. So the gears exist, but not in the capacity I would like. Let's just indicate everybody by. Cage polos and stuff going by, so yeah, now you just get to hang out with me on this slow ass lap. Engine temp is fine, air intake temp is fine. Well, I mean, I've been cooling for some time now. You don't you can have millions of cages on your car, but you really don't have time to look at all those when you're driving. I mean, a shitty cruising lap, siding lap, but it's not really what I asked for. I have all the balls in the world and a bit of ability to get something out of this car, but yeah, I mean, I don't want to get towed away. It's like, I think the towing fee is like 150. Fuck off. Porsche throwing rocks with its sticky tires. But yeah, I really don't want to pay that to get my shitty Honda towed off. So I guess it's the lap for the moment. I'll get to the car park and see how Honda feels itself. Maybe it's just low on transmission fluid. Because what the hell else could it be? If the gearbox is fucked, it's fucked anyway. But I mean, it's shifting now. 5th, 6th. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Third, 4th, 5th, 6th. Everything is fine now. And 2nd. But they're like really notchy. The gears don't want to engage, not one bit. Anyway, I'll cut this video here and let's see. It was still sub 15.